It's a day of rest. Where can he be? Finally reading my letters. Here's what it said. Dear Barbara, I love you, I miss you. Signed R&B. Read my letters, here's what it said. I love you, I miss you. Signed R&B. Finally read my letters, here's what it said. Dear Barbara, I love you, I miss you. Thank you, everybody. Barbara Campbell from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. I'm an independent digital music creator, and this is a new song that I'm working on. So tune in to my YouTube channel, to my website, to my social pages. Follow me online, Google Barbara Campbell Music, Barbara Campbell Television, because we're coming from Barbara Campbell Television Studio, Be Live on Air, and it's just a wonderful time to create. And via the pandemic, I learned how to write, play an instrument, create a song, and this process has been so liberating for me because I have an outlet that allows me to create. Other than what I'm doing now and what I did before, if you visit my website, you'll learn about me. I study fashion design, hair design. I'm a cosmetologist. So everything that evolves with beauty is what I'm so passionate about, and I hope that you see the beauty in my music and that it inspires you. And there's so much more to come and to share with you all, and my fans and my music supporters. Thank you so much here in New York and Brooklyn, all around the world. Thank you. I'll see you, I hear you, and you count, you matter. So till then, stay in Brooklyn. I'll see you in the next minute. BC Original Rehearsal Series. Bye-bye.